In 2026, tensions between Iran and Israel exploded into one of the most dangerous conflicts in the Middle East. Missile strikes, drone attacks, and global tensions rising. But how did this war actually begin? 1. The long rivalry. Iran and Israel have been enemies for decades. Their rivalry goes back to Iran's 1979 Islamic Revolution, when Iran's leadership openly opposed Israel and began supporting militant groups across the region. Over the years, tensions grew over Iran's nuclear program, cyber attacks, proxy wars, and military threats. For decades, the conflict stayed mostly indirect, until recently. 2. The 2025 escalation. In June 2025, the conflict escalated dramatically. Israel launched a massive airstrike campaign against Iran, targeting nuclear facilities, missile bases, and military leaders. About 200 Israeli fighter jets hit more than 100 targets, including key nuclear sites like Natanz. Iran quickly retaliated with hundreds of drones and ballistic missiles aimed at Israeli cities like Tel Aviv. For the first time, the two countries were attacking each other directly. 3. The 2026 war begins. The conflict exploded again on February 28, 2026. The United States and Israel launched major airstrikes across Iran, targeting military bases, missile systems, and nuclear infrastructure. Several top Iranian officials were killed in the strikes, including Iran's supreme leader. Iran responded immediately with missile and drone attacks against Israel and U.S. bases across the Middle East. The war had officially begun. 4. How the war is spreading. The conflict is no longer just between Iran and Israel. Iran-aligned groups across the region have joined the fighting, while Israel continues launching airstrikes. Missile attacks, drone warfare, and cyber operations are spreading across the Middle East. Some attacks have even targeted ports and energy infrastructure, raising fears about global oil supply and international shipping. 5. Why the world is watching. This conflict could reshape the Middle East. It involves nuclear tensions, global powers, and some of the world's most advanced weapons. And if the fighting continues to spread, many experts warn it could trigger a much larger regional war.